9 Best Herbs for Skin Tightening and Anti-Aging. As we age, our skin loses collagen and elastin, which are proteins that give our skin its elasticity and firmness. This leads to wrinkles, sagging, and other signs of aging. But don't worry, there are natural remedies that can help tighten and rejuvenate your skin. We're going to be talking about the 9 best herbs for skin tightening and anti-aging. Antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and other nutrients found in these herbs can help protect our skin from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. They can also help stimulate collagen production and improve blood circulation, which can help improve skin elasticity and firmness. Before we start, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest skincare tips and tricks, support our channel, and help us create more helpful content for you. So, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for your support. Now, let's get started. 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is a powerful herb that has been used for centuries to treat various skin conditions. It contains antioxidants that help fight free radicals and prevent skin damage. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and swelling. To use aloe vera for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your skin or use skincare products that contain aloe vera extract. 2. Rosemary. Rosemary is another herb that is great for skin tightening and anti-aging. It contains rosmarinic acid, which has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Rosemary also helps improve blood circulation, which can help nourish your skin and keep it looking youthful. To use rosemary for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can make a rosemary-infused oil by steeping fresh rosemary in olive oil for a few weeks. You can then use this oil as a facial massage oil or add it to your skincare products. 3. Ginseng. Ginseng is a popular herb that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It contains compounds called ginsenosides, which have been shown to have anti-aging effects. Ginseng also helps improve skin elasticity and firmness, making it a great herb for skin tightening. To use ginseng for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can drink ginseng tea or use skincare products that contain ginseng extract. 4. Green tea. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant that can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains catechins, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Green tea can help reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes, making it a great herb for anti-aging. To use green tea for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can apply cooled green tea bags to your eyes or use skincare products that contain green tea extract. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Turmeric can help improve skin elasticity and firmness, making it a great herb for skin tightening. To use turmeric for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can make a turmeric face mask by mixing turmeric powder with honey and yogurt. Apply the mask to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. 6. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a flower that is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. It also contains alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, which help exfoliate the skin and improve skin texture. Hibiscus can help improve skin elasticity and firmness, making it a great herb for skin tightening. To use hibiscus for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can make a hibiscus tea and use it as a toner or use skincare products that contain hibiscus extract. 7. Chamomile. Chamomile is an herb that has anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce redness and irritation. Chamomile tea can be used as a natural toner to help tighten and firm your skin. Chamomile can also help improve skin elasticity and firmness, making it a great herb for skin tightening. To use chamomile for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can make a chamomile tea and use it as a toner or use skincare products that contain chamomile extract. 8. Gotu kola. Gotu kola is an herb that contains compounds called triterpenoids, which have been shown to have anti-aging effects. Gotu kola also helps improve blood circulation, which can help nourish your skin and keep it looking youthful. To use gotu kola for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can drink gotu kola tea or use skincare products that contain gotu kola extract. 9. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is a natural astringent that can help tighten and firm your skin. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and irritation. Witch hazel can be used as a toner to help tighten your pores and improve the overall appearance of your skin. To use witch hazel for skin tightening and anti-aging, you can apply it to your skin using a cotton pad or use skincare products that contain witch hazel extract. To use these herbs effectively, it's important to do a patch test before using any new herb on your skin to make sure you're not allergic or sensitive to it. You can also consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. When using these herbs, it's best to use them consistently over time to see results. You can incorporate them into your skincare routine by using skincare products that contain these herbs or by making your own DIY skincare products using fresh or dried herbs. So, there you have it, the 9 best herbs for skin tightening and anti-aging. Incorporating these herbs into your skincare routine can help improve the overall health and appearance of your skin. Again, remember to always do a patch test before using any new herb on your skin and consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips and tricks.